What's most challenging about Roseville is the terrain. Every direction we run, there's mountains. You have to have all your traction motors available to you. Dynamics have to work on every locomotive. And we're talking, big trains.
We have Donner Summit, where we're going up to greater than 2.5% grade. Face that same grade going south to get into the LA Basin. We face that same grade going north.
We're constantly communicating through our team, through our roundhouse, through Omaha, through our dispatching. We have all this stuff in place and we're just putting it into motion.
There's an understanding here that if we all do our jobs together, we're going to be successful. Communication, a shared understanding of expectations and values, that's our secret to success.
We treat this yard like a main line. If something goes out, a track or a switch, we're on it. I have a tremendous sense of pride making sure that the track is safe for the trains.
It's a pretty fluid group, from mechanical, which is us here in the car shop, to locomotive, and even transportation as being the glue. Trains leave on time, trains come in on time, and it's just an ongoing show.
We collaborate among the best of them, and that's been critical to our success. You have to humble yourself to that knowledge and understand when you're walking into a room, you're not always going to have the best idea, and that's a great thing. If you don't have the humility as a leader, you're just a manager.
It's more of a belief of who we are and what we're capable of and what's possible, right? It's just basically being able to rally the entire team regardless of craft. And when I step outside a terminal, I feel proud, like, you know what, me and my team did something today.
The guys come here ready to work every day. They need their expectations set, and if they have those things, they're going to go to work and make it happen. It's our job to make sure they're set up for success.
Everything we do matters, and I'm grateful to be a part of the experience and help build America.